EcoFuel Systems would like to congratulate and thank Phos, a family-owned dump truck and transportation company located outside of Lakeland, Florida. Owners Bill Whitney, along with Neil Whitney and their fleet manager, Mike Plant, all realized the need to reduce carbon dioxide pollution and maintenance expenses. We are proud to welcome the award-winning member of the Florida Trucking Association and the National Trucking Association to the Eco family. The EcoFuel system is a no-chemical, no-maintenance, patented opportunity used to increase fuel's combustibility via electrolysis. By causing fuel to burn more combustible and cleaner, thousands of dollars can be saved in maintenance expenses and downtime annually. This is a short video on how easy it is to install the EcoFuel system. The video is short because it only takes a few minutes to install it. This installation took less than 10 minutes once all the parts were at hand. Installation is simple. Remove the low pressure side of the fuel line going to the injectors and install the Eco there. The Mack truck you see is a 2012 with over 930,000 miles, powered by a Volvo DD14 motor with 600 horsepower. Certified reports, as well as tens of thousands of happy consumers, including school systems and governmental agencies like NASA, the U.S. Army, and Homeland Security, have been using it successfully for over 10 years. In Florida, trucking companies, heavy equipment, and municipalities, to name a few, have been successfully using it on their diesel motors for years as well. Police and delivery companies have also been using it on their gasoline vehicles. A gasoline automobile can reduce fuel consumption by 5 to 10%, while helping to reduce carbon pollution 40% to over 70%. The Eco in a few hundred miles can reduce diesel emission fluid and carbon particulates between 40% and 70%, along with increased performance and fuel efficiency. The ROI on a heavy equipment and truck is less than 20 days. Who doesn't want to reduce diesel particulate maintenance and DPF maintenance and downtime? Today, politicians are crying to reduce carbon pollution. Here is a proven opportunity to reduce hydrocarbons while saving thousands of dollars annually by spending a few $100s, not tens of thousands of dollars. No motor modifications are required. The Eco does not affect any warranties. It only treats fuel. The Eco is made in the USA, has a Better Business Bureau A+ rating for over 10 years, and is guaranteed to work. Call or go online today and help reduce carbon pollutants without spending a small fortune. Thank you, go green, and burn clean.